Recording for today's class only advantages and disadvantages. No.
Placed in upper right corner. That is
I
your
think you should do editing.
group 13 to 18 of this periodic table. Next one. 6 is the then the transition element of
Sir, how to do full screen, sir, in that website?
how to do full screen.
Yes, sir. I can only see a part of it, sir. And
No,
the
no, no.
other
You can do full screen
No,
also.
for me also it is, sir. It is coming half page only, sir. Full
No,
screen is
no,
not
no.
coming.
You can you see the circle button? You click it and it become full screen.
Circle button, where is circle button?
In the left hand side, there are 3 books are there.
Now
Then
I
your
got, sir.
magnifying lens, and then one is the clock button is there.
Clock
This
button is not there for me, sir.
no, this will if you click it, it will come this side. If you click
Sir,
it, it will go
only
right.
sir.
I'll say
For me, it's coming in full screen only, sir.
it will come full screen.
Sir, for me, last you wrote Krishna Foundation chemistry book, sir.
Krishna Foundation. Where is the Krishna Foundation?
Sir, in chemistry test, I think here he's telling, sir. Sir, that can you
no,
move, sir?
JSO batch,
Chemistry.
sir. JSO batch, JSO
Sir,
batch.
chemistry
JSO
test,
batch.
there is no, sir, this thing.
Go down, sir. Go fully. Not that, not that.
In this only, I think you saw.
Here.
No, sir.
Where is Krishna Foundation?
Sir, I found in this, sir. JSO batch.
I think you found it here only. Yes,
sir,
yes, yes.
I found here, sir. Here, I'm
here how?
filling, sir.
Here not possible Krishna Foundation.
Sir, go fully down, sir. Go fully down. Down. Down.
Nothing. It is stopped here only.
Sir. No, sir. It is coming, sir. Rearson.
Hey, yes, da, I know it's there in chemistry test. I'm telling you are wrong. Sir, check chemistry test, sir. It will be there only.
Hey.
Here possible. Here
What am I
possible.
doing, Daddy?
Because I shared that note. That's why.
Hey, chemistry test you start the PDF. No, I'm telling a sir's handwriting. Sir wrote in handwriting.
Eh, this thing only, da.
You read Krishna Foundation here only.
Sir, okay, leave.
Leave it.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you move this in de Broglie, sir?
I will move. all the. If you can able to see, I will move all the notes. Right.
Sir, no, sir. In that chemistry test, can you move here, sir?
Yes, here my note. No, I don't have a space.
Sir, it will be there, sir.
No, I don't have a space. Okay. Already 3.4 GB is there. So I have to remove most of the files from here. Okay. Why it is not coming? Transition elements of the fourth. Transition elements of fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh period. Sixth and seventh periods are assigned we can say assigned with proper position. Okay, assigned with proper positions in periodic table, right? And the last point is not last point. There are lots of points are there. Yes. Is satisfactory. Actually,
sir, some special elements and compounds in class 10. There is one topic, no, sir.
Some special element. What is special element?
Sir, special element and compounds in that topic, they are giving carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, all the properties of them detailed.
Instead of reading those things, if you better read your class 11 fundamentals of inorganic chemistry. That is far better. Okay, don't read all these things. They are giving only the limited information. It is better you read the proper full information. Okay.
Sir, Pradeep also they gave, sir.
Pradeep book is giving, but not fully. Okay. You go for this one.
Sir, but you are copying that only, no, sir. So this is not proper knowledge.
What proper knowledge? I'm just giving you all points, okay? Because if you go Pradeep, so they are giving only the group 1, group 2, but they are limited. But you read it, it's okay. At least that is also good. I'm just giving you, okay, what are the important points are there.
Okay. Sir, 10th standard, when will you take, sir? Which day you will handle, sir?
But
Sir, actually, sir, what you wrote, sir, in that Pankaj at the rate of limit Fiji Limited Ltd, sir,
uh-huh.
there's an option called immersive reader, sir.
Immerse?
Immersive reader, sir. Like when we open it, sir, there will be an option called immersive reader. If you click that, sir, everything is automatically whatever you have written, sir. It's getting converted into like an PDF format, sir. Even the white ink is like typed things, sir. Whatever you have written, sir,
It's converted
becomes
PDF form.
typed letters.
Yes, sir.
What?
Even okay,
Becomes typed
sir.
letters and it starts reading, sir, by itself. We can even listen and then hear and understand, sir.
Oh, so good. It's good only. I think they have okay. Type letter will come into audio format now.
No, sir. Like whatever you have written with like pen, no, sir. You have written like you have sketched, no, sir, in OneNote. Those will come in the form of typed letters, sir.
And it is coming at the, you can the reading is also done by the software.
Yes, sir.
The audio speech coming. With text is converted to audio speech.
Text and audio both are coming.
It's good only. What is the name of this thing? Evasive. What is the name of evasive?
Sir, immersive reader, sir.
Inversive. Inversive. Inversive.
Sir, immersive,
Sir,
sir.
in
Immersive.
view, sir. Sir, in this thing. There is one option, sir. Sir, immersive reader.
Sir, immersive reader.
Acha, here immersive reader.
It's going, sir. Immersive
Sir,
reader.
but it reads, sometimes it reads wrongly,
Yes, sir.
sir.
In read, sir. This thing, sir. Book thing in the right corner.
Okay.
Sir, sir, sometimes you have written H2O, sir, but it's reading H20.
H20.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Immersive reading thing.
But it won't know our handwriting, no da.
Okay, like this one.
Yes, sir. Sir, in
Sir,
this book kind of
Sir,
thing,
this is
you
not
can make
what
it as
you wrote,
PDF
sir.
also,
This
sir.
is not what you wrote.
Yes, I can see.
Sir, but you didn't write this, sir. You wrote something else. It's reading something else.
Yes, sir. Sir, see, sir. Roth.
Yes, yes.
Lothar-Meyer curve, atomic volumes.
Yes.
It's very funny, sir.
Yes.
10.81332 points. Very funny.
Sir, this press this thing,
Sir,
sir. It
enable
won't come
sound,
all this
sir.
audio, all, sir.
Yes, good only. Immersive
If we
reader.
press that notebook thing, it will show you if you can make it as EPUB or PDF, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. That will be
There-
even
Sir,
easier to read
defects
for the
means
PDF.
disadvantage, no, sir.
Lots of facilities are there. Good.
So disadvantage, then I think it will take more 2 classes to complete this.
No. We have only 3 points.
Sir, after the trends, no, sir.
It will be over, sir.
This topic over.
Sir, periodic trends.
That is new. That is another topic.
Sir, periodic trends we will do in the next class, sir.
Yes. We
Sir,
start
after that, chemical bonding.
yes, chemical bond.
Sir, what is that, sir? Periodic?
What we will do next, sir?
Periodic trends. Trends is there. It is only classification. This is classification. Trends is different
Sir,
topic.
periodic trends we did know, sir.
What do you know? Periodic trends means the electronegativity, ionization energy. This is trends only.
Yes, sir,
These
we
are-
did, sir. So next
ENC,
class,
sir.
chemical bonding, sir.
Trends when we have done. I have not done trends.
Sir,
we
trends
done,
means
sir.
TRENC, sir.
When we have done, I did only classification, no trends.
Oh, trends
Sir,
need
trends
to be
will
done
be
in the upcoming classes.
Yes. So we'll.
Sir, trends will start the beginning of the new chapter, no, sir. Bonding, chemical bonding.
No. It is a part of a periodic classification.
After the trends, periodic trends, we will do chemical bonding, sir.
Yes. So position of hydrogen is not fixed till now. This is one problem in periodic table. Not fixed.
So hydrogen is in the first group, no, sir?
That is doubtful. That is still doubtful.
It can also be 17, sir.
Yes. That is doubtful. That is a demerit. Okay, this is first
It
one.
can either be a halogen or an alkali.
Yes, exactly. Very good. And one more thing, lanthanides. Even the lanthanides and actinides.
Sir, can we do metalloids?
No, not necessary. Metals we have already done in this one. Metals and non-metals. Okay.
Oh, I was not there.
Yes, sir. We did even properties of metalloids.
Yes, it's not required. In the
Sir, solid state and gaseous state are there, sir. We finished that also.
solid state and gaseous state is part of this one. Your states of matter.
So states of matter comes under thermo, sir.
No, it's separate. The chapter is separate. That is
Surface
equal to
chemistry.
We did the states of matter. We'll do every year, sir.
states of
PG
matter.
they will do every year in the first phase, sir.
First phase.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, they did it
Classification
in
of
sixth,
matter.
seventh,
Next
and
year you will do all
ninth
this, sir.
also. Yes, sir. Sixth they called it as classification of matter. Seventh they called it as something else, and eighth they called it as states of matter, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same
Seventh
topic,
only
sir.
seventh they are telling transformation and classification of compounds and elements.
Yes, sir. Same topic with different names. They will do the first phase, sir, of chemistry every year.
No, states of matter. You have to learn the property of gases and laws of gases. Okay.
Study of gas laws.
Study of gas laws, and study of gas laws is very
There are
important.
many gas laws, sir.
Six are there.
Oh, we
And-
did only one, sir.
Sir, when we will do physics and chemistry both together, sir?
Both together. How? I don't know.
Any topic like physics and chemistry both together.
How?
Good
Both
day.
how both are different subjects. How both were possible?
Sir, I
Like
think
physics
he's
and
asking
chemistry,
us
like
a topic which is
thermodynamics,
common
like
Yeah,
to
that.
both
like
physics
thermodynamics
and
come
chem.
in physics also in chemistry, no, sir. Like
No,
that.
no. In physics, thermodynamics is different. In chemistry, thermodynamics is different. Okay.
Physics thermodynamic is
Yes,
way
sir. In
different.
physics, we'll be learning about the more like the technical formulas and
Not
ways to
formula.
calculate, sir.
No, it will come in heat, I guess.
Both are heat. We are learning only for reactions. In
For
thermodynamics, we are
there
learning
we will
Sir,
learn
we
regarding
are learning
chemical
here
reaction.
only for
conversion, sir.
reaction we will do physical.
That here we do reaction. In that case, we'll do the physical. Okay, that's different. Okay, so
We'll do the calculation of how much energy is being transferred in physics.
Yeah, like specific heat, I guess.
but we'll do it regarding machines
Sir.
only. Right? Okay.
Sir, periodic trends is separate topic, sir.
Yes, separate topic. So
That we will do. Sir, that will take how much class, sir?
period trends will take it will take 4 or 5 classes or 6 classes maybe.
Sir, we have NSCJs, no, sir.
So I'm
For 8th standard, they might have NSCJs 2020 dates have been confirmed, sir.
Sir, January NSCJS is coming, sir.
January, yes. I
No,
posted
sir.
some questions.
November 29, they are telling the dates of the examination of. Oh, that's for class 9.
Sir, in the document you said it said something January, sir.
No, it's saying January 7th.
Yes, sir.
January 7th
only.
for class we have, sir.
Now you solve question quickly. Time is very less. Already I posted a question in your WhatsApp also. Okay. These type of problems
Sir,
will come.
NCERT extract, can I share, sir?
Yes. Why don't share? You solve yourself. Okay. Already everyone
Sir,
have
atomic numbers watt and 19, sir.
So there it is your a number not mentioned here. It is your 16 and 19. It is actually 16. Okay. It is actually, we can put here.
See, why it's not coming and it's bordered with green color,
What?
Sir, what up? Oh, okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
I
this
think
thing,
sir is
sir,
sharing
this
his
school is
screen.
applying, sir. You cancel it.
No,
out.
no, no, no. Wait,
Sir,
wait,
you
wait.
should press this thing again, sir.
Wait.
It
Now
is
go on.
Sir,
all-
it's very yes, sir. Now it's okay.
No, but green border is still coming.
No, sir, now it's
Sir,
not
you
coming.
know, sir, nowadays we could call in laptops, sir.
Uh,
You phone call in laptop, like your phone, there is one app, sir, in laptop.
Your phone, yeah, there's
Sir,
yeah,
there
sir,
are-
connected
Sir,
to
you
your
don't
phone
need to
already.
download any app, sir. You can directly sync your phone to your
Yes, sir.
laptop,
Then
sir.
call will
All
come
the
in
contacts
directly
will-
laptop. Then you could answer, sir.
Are
Very
yes,
easy.
you solve this question now. Write down the electronic configuration A and B SPDF. You can write answer. Atomic number is atomic number.
The first topic is events of the periodic table, no, sir.
First topic is
Events that took place while
not
finding the periodic table.
Genesis. Genesis. That is called
Yes,
Genesis.
sir. That Proust, Lavoie, sir. Then
Genesis.
Doberiner. Then
That is called Genesis. That is called Genesis. Genesis means history.
yeah, and then Lothar. Then Mendeleev.
Only this is only five or six is there. That's all.
Yes, sir. That topic is itself big, sir. They will ask their properties from that also.
That is old. It is a dead subject. Who will do all these things?
But
Yeah.
they are asking history, like what thing they are asking, and
Just for the understanding, they are asking, but actually this is a dead topic. So you solve this question. Already I posted two more questions. Can you see this one? It's easy only. Yes, I think Sri Raman wrote correct answer. Very good. Perfect answer, Raman. I appreciate. You have to use the red black color now. For this answer, I will writing here neon, then 3s2, 3p4, and next will be argon 4s2, 4s1 now. Which element belong to S block and is S block? A is P block, AP block. A P block, yes. A P block, B will be the S block. Very good. And last one, which element belong to P block?
Already written, sir.
Yes. Probably A. Okay, got it? Go for the next topic. I posted next paper, next example.
next set of questions, sir.
I posted 3 questions in the WhatsApp also. You can see.
Sir, WhatsApp is difficult to see, sir. Can you put in one note itself?
No, I'm just transferring here, but already I posted a question there also. You can download in your laptop also. Here we have to mark here is expand. Can you see now? So this is something you have to complete the following element. Okay. So typical element you can see answer.
Sir, what is typical element, sir?
I wrote. You say just take out notes. I
you
gave
wrote
notes.
it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Typical element, bridge element, diagonally related elements, then coinage metal, chalcogens, transuranic elements, liquid element, radioactive elements. Yes, answer.
So typical elements are
ABCD. Right, the
the
ABCD.
second and third group elements.
HII. HIJKL. Oh. Not HIJKL. Not HIJKL typical element. Second and third group element, na.
Yes, sir. Second period and third period elements.
The typical element will be CE, GK, and SUWK. Okay. Answer will be C, that is boron, then nitrogen, second period and third period element. Just try to solve it. Okay. Answer will be here.
Sir, these are all from Pradeep also, sir. Pradeep only.
No, this was some other book.
Sir, how many book will you have, sir?
I am a teacher. You are challenging me. I have lots of books.
Sir,
Okay.
you have everything in desktop or everything in reality paper?
I have hard copy also. I have soft copy also. Okay.
Sir, now this book is from which copy, sir?
This is from some other book.
Some other book. Okay, sir.
Okay, you would attention only the important thing. Okay.
Sir,
Don't
even
think.
I am having more book chemistry, sir.
Are
But
you
I
will
will
having
follow only one author, sir. One or two
you
author.
have, but you don't know now where the content is given. I can
Sir,
search
my brother
immediately.
knows, sir. He studied, so he gave all resources. Now I told that day, no, sir, IIT. Now he gave all his resources when he went to Mumbai. He gave all his study materials to me and he couriered it, sir. Then I
Wow.
got everything.
Wow, good,
Nice,
very
nice
good.
books. He got rare books, sir.
Wow, good. It's good. You are lucky fellow, and you are getting class also.
Sir, I only buy chemistry books or whatever books which have soft papers, sir, with lot of images.
Lots of
Yeah, images means we can't learn, ra.
Sir, then only it will be like very interesting to learn, sir, only when we see those photos.
Yes, yes. There's a bridge element.
We can have 3 to 4 photos for every 2 pages, but
Sir,
we can't
no,
have
sir, I'm
just
telling
photos
like
for everything.
in a page, mostly it will be a visual book, sir.
Example
Only
is
some facts will be given.
sodium magnesium. Okay. Bridge element is sodium magnesium. Magnesium having two group now. Remember, sodium having two group.
Sir, from now can you give to visualize, sir? Can you draw diagrams for everything?
Diagram for everyone.
Yes, sir. Like bonding structure means can you draw for
Arey, that is useless now. You have to become scientist. You have to pass the examination. You tell me what is the purpose?
The
we can
diagram will
visualize
be
and understand,
unnecessary,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Diagrams will
Sir,
photos and
because
diagrams
chemistry
will
they are
stop
not
us
giving
from
priority,
learning.
no, sir. You give priority for us, sir.
Not priority. You have to focus on the entrance exams. Okay. Remaining thing you can do by yourself also. That is not a big deal.
Sir, NTSC came, no, sir.
NTSC for NTSC this is not required. This much is there. It's very easy. NTSC is the easiest examination. Because
So why are we telling that sodium and magnesium come under two groups, sir?
Because bridge element means they have the property of both group 1 and 11, and magnesium have property both group 2 and group 12.
Sir, coming 13 we have NTSC, sir.
Sir, because both of them have one electron in the valence shell, sir.
Both are showing that property of the yes.
Because
Copper also
group
has
1 and group 11 have only one electron in
one
valence
electron,
shell, and
yes,
group 2 and group 12 have two.
Yes. Like zinc have 2 electrons, calcium have 2 electrons. So they are called bridge element, magnesium. Only sodium, only 2 elements is there. Diagonally, we have 3 elements. I already know boron, lithium.
Will group 1 be similar to group 17, sir?
No.
Because 17 will be non-metal and 1 will be metal, sir.
Yes. No. Group 1 say group 1 is different, group 7 is different. Okay. But sodium magnesium is a bridge element. They are saying bridge element. Typical element is second, third group element. Diagonally related element is your, there are 3 elements. Which are those elements diagonally related? So we can mark answer. That is your lithium. Next is beryllium, and next is your barium. After that, boron. So boron will be silicon. Yes. Barium will be aluminum, and lithium will be magnesium. Okay. Yes. Down is sodium. Remember? So 3 over.
Yes, sir. I think you thought this, sir. I saw.
Coinage metal is your copper, silver, and gold.
Sir, some beating is coming, sir, somewhere. Tapping.
Chalcogen is your group 16, right? And then 6 is your transuranic element, means after 92. Okay. After atomic number 92, right? That all are your transuranic element. And liquid metals I already know. This one solve it. Cesium, mercury, francium, okay, you can say gallium. They are not given temperature also. And radioactive elements also, it is after. You have to search from here only. Which are
all actinides, sir. All actinides are radioactive.
So we can tell from radon, sir. From radon, everything will be radioactive.
FHI, I'm giving answer. So JM and VZ. This is the answer. Check it. Understood? And one more question I given you. Some table is given. You just try to solve yourself. It's clear? And with this periodic classification over. So we'll go for next topic.
So can you
Periodic
go
trends.
little above, sir?
Sir, periodic trends can you complete in 2 class, sir?
No, not possible. It's very big topic.
Sir, 3 class.
We require 4 topics. Now, one is electronegativity, ionization energy, electric potential. Minimum
Sir,
we require
maybe
4
can you
class.
complete in 1 month, sir?
No, 1 month of 4 class is there. 4 class we require. 4 or 5 class. 2 weeks, it will take 2 weeks. It will take maximum 2 weeks. Maximum. 4
Yes,
classes.
sir.
Sir,
we
you,
can finish
you
before
saw when
January,
you
sir.
started this topic, you told like it was very easy topic, sir, but it was very big, sir. This small periodic table itself.
Yes, sir. It's big only.
Periodic table is very easy if we like.
Sir, but
With the
whatever
logic, sir.
compared with the organic, inorganic story, sir.
Oh, all went.
Sir, only 11,
Sir,
sir.
not all, sir.
Ah.
I'm still there. Sir, how are they writing that copper is A, tellurium
Sir,
is B
can I
like that,
leave,
sir?
sir?
You can search from here now. Which of the elements are there?
Sir, sorry
Sir,
to
like,
say,
is
sir,
this
but can I
part of
leave,
the
sir?
question or
I
is
have
this general representation, sir?
Copper, still copper we can see I is
Sir,
there.
no, sir. Copper is A, tellurium is B like that, sir. I'm
Ah.
asking, is this general representation or is this only for this question, sir?
No, for this there is a question. There's a question. You
Oh,
have
the
to mark.
question they are giving like this.
In the question given ABCD and you have to select and report in the box given.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, do you like cricket or football, sir?
Arey, you keep it. I have class at 7 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, could you tell how to remember the periodic table, sir? The elements and all.
I know Hindi mnemonic only. I don't know the other mnemonic. English
So
also
there is
waste.
something called the periodic table songs with which you can remember.
Hey, that is waste. Just to listen to it.
I know MS Raman, Sir Raman. I know only the Hindi
Sir, I
mnemonic.
know up till
It's okay, sir. You can dial it
52,
in
sir.
Suppose
I know from 1 to 52 I memorized by learning the song only, sir.
like suppose this is the
Sir, in the net, sir, in the net, it's like ha, Lina, ki, navza.
like this is that. Like hai, li, na, Lina, ki, rab, se, Faryad. Faryad means request. So Lina is the
Sir,
name of girl.
your mother tongue is Hindi, sir. That's why you could easily remember.
That's why I know this thing. Someone created. This is someone made the mnemonic, so it's very easy.
Yes, sir. It's
Relatively,
easy
there
for
are
you all, sir, who are all know Hindi well. But you know only
You can
some-
you can
Sir,
also
I
create
know
in
only
Tamil also.
little. Sir, I know only 70% of Hindi, sir. What you know?
No. What if you know a little bit Hindi also is okay. This is just general word. A statement is there.
Sir, I
I
know
don't
basic
need
Hindi
mnemonics
to
at
just
all, sir. I can
understand what
remember
they say, sir.
without mnemonics itself. I remember, sir.
We can write na hai like li na.
Sir,
It is matching
I
with
see
sound na.
this table for so
It is-
many years, sir. I can remember this
Sir,
without
can I
mnemonics
leave
at all.
meeting, sir?
Yes. If you remember, it's okay. Mnemonics are
Thank
just
you,
help.
sir. Sir,
Helping
but
also.
by not remembering itself, I learned till 40 elements, sir.
Sir, I
That's good
learned
only.
till 52, sir. I'm learning from third standard, so I know easily.
Okay, good, really. It's good only.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye,
Yes.
sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, bye.
Sweet dreams,
So
sir.
when we have class Friday.
Friday, sir.
Okay, I will see Friday timetable. Okay, I'll post you.
Sir.
Okay.
Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Bye
Bye.
everyone. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. I'm ending meeting.